welcome to my channel. Today I have the Supreme CDG and Nike collaboration, and they did the Air Force One once again. CDG has done collaborations with Supreme for over 8 years now, so yeah, this is one of many to come, hope so. And also last year they did collaboration together with Nike. So these are the Air Force Ones, and then they have a twist of a Supreme and CDG design. So really excited to see these. These retail for $165, but if you order them to Europe, here in Finland at least, you have to pay 185 euros for them, which is pretty expensive for a Air Force One, but because it's a collaboration, yeah, it's doable. And the resale prices aren't that high. They go for 250 euros on StockX, which is okay price, even though it's only an Air Force One. It's pretty expensive, but still, if you want to get these, it's not too expensive. Comme des Garçons is a Japanese clothing brand which was founded in 1969, and it was a women's fashion brand in the beginning, but in 1970 it became a unisex brand. And because it is originally a women's clothing brand, they should have done these shoes in women's sizes as well. But unfortunately they didn't, so these are my boyfriend's shoes, and now I'm going to show you how they look in person. So the box comes with a Supreme sticker and also a Supreme plastic bag, which they always do. And the plastic bag is kind of small, it doesn't even fit the box, which is pretty weird. But in the box where they come, the box doesn't come inside the plastic bag, so yeah. But let's look at the box. So the box is matte black and it has this shiny Nike logo, which is pretty cool. The box is pretty simple. Then on the side here, it says Comme des Garçons shirt and Supreme. And the Comme des Garçons shirt, which it says is one of the lines of CDG. So yeah, let's look inside. Cool. So these shoes are black leather. The leather seems pretty good quality. And it also has these white leather details, and the overall look is black and white, which is pretty nice and simple. It goes with pretty much everything. Then I really like the Nike logo, that it's kind of split in half, which is what CDG has done this year with Supreme, the clothing collaboration that came out like 2 weeks ago or so. All the Supreme logos and everything were like crooked, so yeah, that's what they've done this year, and I feel like it's a really cool little detail. And also it's cool how the Nike logo isn't just split, but it actually goes into the seam, which is really nicely made. And at the back it has the Nike Air logo, and then it says Comme des Garçons and then Supreme at the back. And then here is a label which says AF1 in Supreme. And otherwise there isn't that many details different than the normal Air Force One, which is kind of cool because most of the collaborations done are pretty over the board. So this is a really minimalistic look and simple that you can wear with pretty much everything. So this is not like a really stable piece, so if you have some more exotic clothes, you can pair these really easily with them. I'm really happy that the collaboration shoe from Nike is the Air Force One, because the Air Force One is a really simple, and I feel like everyone should have a pair of Air Force Ones because it just goes with everything. You can dress it up or dress it down. And I'm super sad that they didn't make these in women's sizes, because I really would have wanted this shoe because I don't have many black shoes, and the combination of black and white, it just matches with a lot of things. So yeah, I think this was it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!